Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace window motor on Volkswagen Touareg on front driver side door, 2004 to 2010 model, that generation, guys. If you need one for the passenger side, it will be closed procedure with some minor differences in removing the door panel, so stay with us and we'll show you what needs to be done. Thank you guys for watching. Let's start on it. Okay guys, so now we need to remove that cap right there. Okay, and we have two screws, bolts with T30, Torx 30, that we'll need to remove. Okay, as you can see, they're loose already. If you're working on the passenger side, okay, there will be some differences there. You won't have those screws underneath that plastic, but you have them under the door handle. Okay, the same thing. You can see two of them. So that's the difference right there that we can think of now. So now we need Torx 20, and underneath the door panel there is two more. Okay, you see that we need to remove. Okay, one is out. Now the second one. We have mosquitoes the size of birds here right now. It's not at the shop. Okay, we pull those bolts that we already got loose. So now you need to grab it or use a prying tool, okay, and get all the clips loose, and then you lift straight up, I believe, towards the end. Okay, like that, so we can get it loose. Next, we have all the wires holding there. Okay, we have the cable, lock cable there that we need to remove. Okay, so you see what we're doing in order to remove that thing now. Okay, we'll need to spread it there on both sides. Okay, and it comes out towards the back and you need to pull the cable out. Next we have that cable, okay, right here, that we will need to disconnect as well. We have the one that goes towards the door computer. Okay, and we'll show you how you do this one, the main cable here. Okay, this one, guys, you need to, okay, when you lock it like that, there is a place that it gets stuck. Okay, right here, you need to press this thing down. Okay, the silver thing down. One of us will need to press it. Okay, so okay, let me show you. So we can slide this thing over, okay, like that. Next we need to disconnect that wire. Okay, press in on both sides and pull it out. So all the clips for the door panel, as you can see, are okay right here. 1, 2, 3. One is missing. 2 screws on the bottom and 3 on this side. Alright guys, now on the window motor we need to get a T30, or actually 25, I think, for this one, and it comes with the door computer right there. So this one, it's easy to disconnect. It has only 6 clips. Okay, you gotta make sure you hold the window, one person holding, because it will try to come down once you remove the window motor. Okay, and you just grab it and slide it. Don't apply any pressure on the computer itself. Okay, like that. And all we have left is to disconnect either the computer or the cables. Okay, and those, all you have to do, just pry those open. Okay, like that. And you can see on this one it's open now. Now we have only this side right here. Just a little bit more holding, and we got the one in the back. Okay guys, so once you unhook it, okay, this is the window motor right here. That's how you remove it, that's how you replace it, guys. Pretty simple. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.